Bros going to drop a green cube into that goal. Looks like 7-4-4 entry A is resetting. Bros just barely missing that green cube. Looking at 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Bros pushing some red off of the post. That's 5 points each. You need 25, you must switch if you have it. All of the reds get the dogs off. See if Bros can make some last minute points. Your alliance partners up in 4-3A, dropping some green cubes. Bros dropping some green cubes as well to score.